Greetings, comrades. This video is pitched to VCE students to help them scaffold their responses to theory questions which ask for a justification of methods of depreciation for non-current assets. So the acronym that I'm pushing in this case is REPACAL. The REP stands for the revenue earning pattern of the asset, the AC stands for the allocation of the cost, and the UL is the useful life. So the REPACAL acronym is just a mnemonic to help students structure their theoretical responses, which we'll illustrate with a couple of examples now. Example 1, we've got some office furniture and we've been asked to select and justify our choice of methods of depreciation we should use for the office furniture. So in scaffolding our response, we use the REPACAL acronym. We start by emphasizing that the office furniture has an even revenue earning pattern, and so therefore we're going to allocate the cost of the asset in a consistent manner over each year of its useful life. So therefore that leads us to selecting the straight line method. Example 2, we've got some machinery here. Now, when you're justifying the use of the reducing balance method, your response is going to be a bit meatier because we need to refer to the early years of the machinery's useful life and the latter years to get the comparison between our higher allocation in those early years versus the lower allocation. So again, the REPACAL acronym will help you structure your response. So it's imperative that we emphasize machinery is going to have an uneven revenue earning pattern. That's going to get you 1 mark. We need to justify that by saying, well, it's going to be more efficient in the early years. It's got a lot of moving parts, and those moving parts are going to be working effectively. So it's going to contribute more to revenue during those early years. But due to wear and tear, and so you can adopt the same approach with a vehicle or any other type of machinery, it's going to contribute less to revenue in those latter years. So in terms of the allocation of the cost, in terms of our AC part of our acronym, it needs to reflect a higher allocation in those early years and a smaller allocation in the latter years of the useful life. And so therefore, we place emphasis on the fact that this is our justification for using the RB method.